What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Jellyfish Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. So not only do we want to give updates and information on specifically the Jellyfish Coin, but we also want to cover stuff in the Solana ecosystem because it directly affects us. So I was sent this article today and I was reading it and I was like, man, this would be a pretty good article to share with the community. So let me drag it over here and just dive right into it because there's been a lot of speculation, a lot of people asking, like, what's going on with Solana? Where's it going to be long term? And this article doesn't necessarily answer any of that, but it does drive some good topics and some good things to cover for sure. So let me, where are we at here? So apparently this is Solana's key weaknesses coming into late December, and why a lot of people think that Solana has been declining and can decline further. Hopefully, I don't want it to decline further. Right now, the price of Solana is, before we get started on that, $196. So we're actually up 4% from yesterday. It looks like we hit that low of, where did it bottom out at? It was like in the 180 range? I think it got lower than that. Yeah, 177 at one point. That was on the 20th of December. So if you push some money into Solana, the 20th, 21st of December, you're probably sitting pretty good right now. But anyway, back to the article here. So recently there's been a lot of selling pressure on Solana, which has caused it to lose ground near important support levels. A sharp decline in the asset's price performance is evident, and the general mood for the market points to a capital flight as investors search for the next profitable opportunity. And that is something that keeps getting brought up, like, oh, Solana's, old news. We're going to be XRP meme coins and what is it? All these other platforms, and meme coins are going to go elsewhere. But like, what is it? Caspa, KRC20 tokens. So far, though, those ecosystems are not even, a percentage point close to what Solana's ecosystem is right now. Because if you've been on it for a while and you've done anything on it, Solana just works, and it works really well, and it links really well. It may not be as fast as like XRP, for example, but it's still not bad. It's still not bad. So I am a little biased, being that I'm heavily into the Solana ecosystem, not only with Jellyfish Coin, but also with XNet, which is a shared data system where you like put up a Wi-Fi miner and people can connect to it, and it shares data through like the AT&T network. I have one of those at my computer shop, and then also with IONET, which is a compute rental platform, and they do all their payments on the Solana network. So I've been around Solana for a little bit. Never been like a huge advocate for it though. It was a tool. That's how I used it basically. But jumping back over here, so the idea of active capital rotation provides a convincing justification for Solana's difficulties on the market. As focused and funding move to more recent trendy projects, this pattern, which was first seen in Ethereum's transition to Solana during its heyday, is now happening again. And if you guys didn't know, if you were around for a while, Ethereum was the OG, crap coins or meme coins or tokens, NFTs, and there was so much stuff built on top of Ethereum. And Ethereum is still, to be fair, used for a lot of things, but I feel like the meme coin and the token community definitely has shifted a great deal over to Solana. Now, by looking at the chart, it can be seen that Solana is currently trading at about $189. I guess this article is about a day old now. Failing to hold on to support at 195. It actually looks like we're at 196 today, so article. But a failure to hold the 200-day EMA was at about $175, which has emerged as the next crucial support level. It could indicate additional declines coming up in the future, in line with the general market trend of capital outflow. Volume profiles show a spike during the most recent descending move, indicating increased bearish momentum. In my opinion, I think it's coming to the end of the year. There's a lot going on. Let's see here. RSI, okay. But yeah, I just think it was coming to the end of the year. We had such a run up, it has to cool off, and then get set up for the next bump. Obviously, I don't know anything about financial advice. I'm just a guy in a box, so don't listen to me, and so on. But anyway, jumping back to the article, as a result of the selling pressure that has dominated the asset, Solana's RSI is close to oversold territory. An impending relief rally could be hinted at by oversold conditions, but any recovery might not last long in the absence of consistent buying interest. So I noticed, and it seems to be that a lot of people have cooled off during the holidays with all like the meme coin culture. There's been a lot of bad news. The United Kingdom banned Pump.Fun. There's been talk about the US banning Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun themselves turned off live streaming because they were having a lot of stuff on there. Not to say that Pump.Fun is Solana meme coins, but a lot of them do and have come from that one website. Obviously, there's tons of other coins that haven't come from there, but it just seems like Pump.Fun, I've had my eye on there, and they've been calming down. There's still wild stuff on there, but it has been slowing down. So, is that a sign? I don't know. Anyway, Solana's current trouble is a sobering reminder of how swiftly momentum can change, especially for those assets that mainly depend on speculative appetite, aka people dumping money into 99% of the time something that's never going to turn into anything. Hold on. The price of Solana may continue to be impacted by the absence of immediate catalysts and outflow of funds from the market. For now, traders should keep a careful eye on the $175 level until after the new year. They repeated the same sentence in this article. But a successful recovery might provide some temporary respite. Long-term prospects, however, hinge on Solana regaining investor trust in the face of intense competition in the cryptocurrency market. In my opinion, I don't think Solana is going anywhere. There has been some concerns brought up where I think it's FTX still holds like 7% of the total supply of Solana. The total supply of Solana. That's a word twister right there. And I guess that is a potential fear that it could dump, and that would be a massive hit to it. But I don't know. It's one of those things. Let's keep on trucking and keep on going. And I have heard some people say like, oh, why are you worried about the price of Solana? Well, all these tokens are directly paired with Solana, so rising tides raises all ships. Typically, when Solana is going up, a lot of the Solana tokens kind of go up with it. And when Solana is going down, a lot of them kind of go down with it. So anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoy this kind of like news, informational kind of side of the YouTube channel over here. We're going to be adding more content coming up. So if you enjoy it, let us know down below in the comment section. If you have any other ideas, questions, comments, concerns, anything, let me know. Other than that, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.